Today our fourth and final day in Moscow. Today we're planning to take a boat tour in Moscow River to see city attractions from the Moscow River.
Now we have to take a bus there.
Hopefully that's the right one, and hopefully the boat tour is not too far from the stop.
And this is about all the buses look like this in Moscow. They're pretty new too, so which is really nice.
And they have AC.
We took the train to get here, and you get one of these guys and they come up to you and ask you if you want a tour. So they're very trustworthy, so you can trust them. They're not trying to get you for, you know, higher price. So it's about $11. Oh no, wait. Take it, man. That's my little hustler. So this is the boat tour. You catch it here, and it takes you, it's a 2-hour tour, and it takes you throughout Moscow. Keanu's sleeping right now, so he's gonna miss it again. He's really been missing a lot of our trip.
It's 800 rubles per person. It's 2 hours and 20 minutes tour. It is not hop on, hop off. So once you get on, you have to stay for the whole time. It is excursion on Moscow River, and it goes all over Moscow. It goes city center, it goes everywhere the Moscow River is.
So we're about to take our boat tour. This is the boat you take. It's good because there's also a canopy on it, and it's nice and shaded.
Keanu enjoying the ride on the boat. He woke up and he's so happy and excited to take this ride. Kiko's having fun on the boat.
This boat excursion is definitely worth the money. You get to see a lot from the Moscow River. So it's almost the end of the boat tour, and we really enjoyed it a lot, especially me, especially Keanu too, because he's like all over the place looking at everything, and it also helps us because he gets to eat in peace and not go crazy and act up. So it worked out for all of us. We just finished our tour and we had a really awesome time. They really showed a lot, and it's a 2 hours and 10-minute boat tour, so it's worth the money for sure. For $11-something.
Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it. And now we're gonna have something to eat for lunch. We're gonna take you to this favorite place I love to go. It's like a cafeteria, and it's got so much choices, and it's super cheap actually, especially in Moscow, because a lot of restaurants we've eaten here, we're spending over $100.
But before we do that, we're gonna stop at this park. It's called Park Zaryadia.
We just got to the park. It's called Zaradia. It's in Moscow, and it kind of reminds me of Millennium Park in Chicago, but right behind you, you'll see the Kremlin, and you'll see the St. Basil's Cathedral. So, and it's really close. It's all in walking distance. We just got to the end of the bridge, and this bridge overhangs the Moscow River, and it's a really great view to see. And you can see the Kremlin here as well. And you can also see St. Basil's Cathedral, which is really cool. And there's 2 entrances to this bridge, which is awesome. And here you can also catch the boat tours. We had a really good day today. It's almost end of our day here in Moscow. This is our last day, 4th day. And we decided after going to the boat tour, we stop here and make our way to the cafeteria where we're gonna have lunch. And there's the GUM right there. Today's much busier than a couple days ago when we were here.
Which is very weird because today is a weekday. We were here last time, it was a weekend.
Yeah. We're here at my favorite cafeteria, I call it. And this is actually pronounced Mumu in Russian. So I know it looks like Mai, but it's not. I love this place a lot, and we're gonna show you what kind of stuff you can get here.
And today, it's actually, as of yesterday, they canceled QR codes. So now you can dine indoors.
And I love the ambiance of this place as well. It looks like a restaurant. It doesn't look like a cafeteria, but it is a cafeteria. Grab us a tray. And these are the different types of salads. And you just pick and choose what you like and they serve it to you, which is really cool. Then you get up here and you can get your desserts. At the end, at the checkout, you just pay for it. So like I said, it does remind me of a cafeteria.
Now we're waiting at the checkout line. Unfortunately, this place, this location, because it's a franchise, didn't have so much vegetarian options. So I just got myself a salad, this called grechka, and this cottage cheese inside a crepe. And Jay got beef with, I think, eggs and cheese, and another grechka. And also he got sausage and a cake.
So we're about to pay right now. So how much did all this cost?
The total is 924 rubles.
We just sat down to get our food. I just want to let you know, when you are here in Moscow or Europe, the portions are a lot smaller, the plates are a lot smaller as well, as you can see. And you're not gonna get as much food as you would expect, like in the US. So if you're really hungry, you're probably gonna need to order 2 meals. After a good lunch, you're gonna need to go to the bathroom sometimes. So I remind you that anytime you come to Russia, or Moscow especially, you're gonna have to pay to go to the bathroom. It's not free, even if it's a mall or anywhere else, even outside of museum and stuff. It's 50 rubles. We finished our last day here in Moscow, and tomorrow we're taking a journey to south of Russia. We're gonna be on the RZD train, and that's gonna be a fun adventure. We had an awesome time here in Moscow, and it's time to say goodbye and see you on that next journey.
Thank you so much for watching.